guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I would be sharing to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I would be featuring, of course, their features, prices, SKU, and of course, their launch date. You know our practice here, guys. If you like anything, kindly just ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot and check with your CAs or check online for orders and availability. So, guys, I'm inviting you to stay tuned until the end of the episode and happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Guys, please do like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. Also, follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share all the bags from Pharrell Williams' third runway collection for Louis Vuitton Men's Fall 2024. We'll note prices, features if they are available, and guys, kindly take note that since this is a Fall Winter 2024 collection, we can expect this will launch 4th quarter of 2024. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with the Speedies and the Keepalls, and let us start with the one with the prices. So first we have the Speedy P9 40 Bandolier. Guys, this is an exotic bag. The price is 28,000 euro. We have SKU here. It is made of ostrich leather, as we could see here. And then we have the Speedy P9 in 25 size bandolier, another exotic Speedy bag. As you could see, it is color brown. It has like a vachetta leather, but it is actually made of ostrich leather. It would come with detachable strap and key clochette and bag tag as well. Then we have the Speedy 18 Bandolier P9. Price is 11,500 euros. So this is the smallest of the Speedies that walk the runway for the Louis Vuitton Fall Winter 2024. So what do you think so far of these Speedies P9? Next, we have another exotic, the Steamer size 40. Price is 28,000 euro. We have SKU here, as we are going to notice that the entirety of the bag is made of ostrich leather. It comes with top handle, bag strap. Then we have the Steamer 25. If you're going to look, that it is made of matte croc leather. Price is 50,000 euro. We have SKU here. The hardware is gold, so we are going to notice it has padlock and it has keys. This is a top handle with bag strap. Then we have a new design. This is a horseshoe bag. Price is 25,000 euro. We have SKU here. So this is like a messenger bag or saddle shaped crossbody bag. It has metal plates on front of the bag. Next, we have the Speedy P9 size 40 in bandolier. Guys, price is 70,000 euro. It is made of matte croc leather. So it is a two-top handled bag. It would also come with bag tag, key clochette, and crossbody strap. Then guys, this is the most expensive of the collection. So we have the Rodeo Speedy P9 size 40 in bandolier. Price is 250,000 euro. So it is made of exotic croc leather with metal details. Then we have more croc Speedy. So this is a 25B size. Price is 35,000 euro. The size is 25 centimeters. It will also come with detachable strap, clochette, and bag tag. Next, we have the new soft trunk vertical. Price is 35,000 euro. We have SKU here. So we're going to notice that the hardware is antique gold finish. It comes with detachable strap. Next, we have the Steamer wearable wallet, still in the exotic collection. Price is 21,500. So this is a smaller size bag with the thick gold finish hardware. It comes with a non-detachable crossbody strap. Next, now we have the Speedy Bandolier. So as we could see, it's like made of entirety of bacheta, and we're going to see it has pockets on one side so you could insert your stuff in there. And then we have the classic Speedies, the first designs of Pharrell from the first collection. So this is a P9 made entirely of leather with different colorways. So this one is like a hot pink colorway. All of these Speedies in different sizes would come in clochette, bag tag, and it would also come with a detachable but adjustable leather crossbody strap. This one, so we are seeing that this is in color black. It has silver or gunmetal hardware. Then this would be a popular Speedy because the color is like a Tiffany blue, as we could see here. So the vachetta that it comes with are pre-treated. So I love that clochette and bag tag combination. So we have here like a caramel or beige colorway. So again, made entirely of leather. What do you think so far of the Speedy? So guys, please take note that there are a lot of Speedies that walk the runway. It would come in leather. It would also come in canvas like this. And what I have noticed in canvas pieces like this, they have really made sure that it is like giving me a vintage vibe. So we have here another Speedy P9 bandolier. I'm guessing the size of this one is 20. So as we're going to see that it comes with the checkered pattern. Then this one, so we had the Keepall 25. So the Keepall 25 is made of monogram canvas, and zooming the detail, we could see that it comes with like a Native American print. Then going back to the leather Speedies P9 size 25 with bandolier. So this one is like in the dark caramel colorway. Then we have another version of the Speedy, but this time it would come in the pony hair cow print. It would come with strap, bag tag, and key clochette. Then we have another Speedy. So this one, as we're going to see, the very special embroidery detail at the front of the Speedies. How cute is this one? And guys, are you noticing tons of bag charms comes with the bag? Then this one, another special Speedy. So since the collection it's inspired by cowboys, we are going to notice the special embossing on the leather, and you're going to notice as well that the Louis Vuitton flower is in metal detail. So Pharrell is also bringing back the camouflage design both for ready-to-wear and bags. Then we have another Keepall made of entirely of leather. Then we are going to notice this special embossing design, and it would also come with clochette and bag tag. Then another new design of Keepall. So this is a single top handle Keepall, and we're going to notice aside from the zipper, it would come with like a flap that goes over the main zipper of the bag. Then we have this very beautiful Speedy 25 bandolier, the P9, wherein it is made entirely of genuine leather. And zooming in, we're going to notice the special embossing that is resembled to look like a cowboy boots. Then another Keepall. So this is made of monogram canvas. So what's special about this Keepall is the print and of course the stud detail with the entirety of the bag. Another Speedy 25 bandolier, all made of leather. So zooming in, guys, or are you seeing that the pattern of this one resembles a cowboy boot? Then this one, a very special Speedy. So we are going to notice for the first collection, Pharrell launched like a pearl studded bag like this. So this one now comes with metal studs. Then we have a canvas Speedy 25 bandolier. So guys, I'm guessing that this is a canvas because it has a very structured design compared to the leather Speedies. What do you think? Kindly comment down below. Then we have the Speedy 25 in P9. So this is an all genuine leather design, but it is like the shadow design wherein the bag tag and key clochette are embossed onto the leather. Then let us check out the steamer bags. So aside from the Speedy, they are bringing back the steamer bag design. So guys, I would like to share that the steamer bag was first introduced by Louis Vuitton in the year 1901. Yes, 1901. It is an archival design from LV. So we're going to notice that it would come in monogram canvas or plain canvas, leather, and even exotic design. So it would also come in top handle, it would come in messenger bag style, it would also come in bum bag style as well. It would come with special details like of course the exotic finish, it would come with the stud detail. So this is an example of a messenger bag style, and this really reminds me of Hermes. So now we could, and guys, just look at this Himalayan croc steamer bag. This resembles Hermes. So now we're seeing what is the inspiration of the Hermes bag. Then we have the side trunk and soft trunk bag design from the collection. So they have redesigned the side trunk. It looks like a Speedy, but it has the side trunk designs, as you're going to notice that the side trunk is hard and it looks Speedy. Then we have also side trunk in the plain leather design, very minimalist, very quiet luxury. Then of course we have bag design like this that is easily moldable. Then we have also seeing the cowboy detail design with the side trunk and soft trunk bags. So these are the soft trunks. So I'm getting again a vintage vibe on that design. There is the camouflage detail. Then there also like just the plain leather detail. Guys, how are you feeling about these plain leather bags from Louis Vuitton? Again, wanting to experience quiet luxury designs like this. So we are seeing stud detail with the closure. I'm not sure what it's called. It's not S-lock. Then we have the new design bags for the Fall Winter 2024. So we have this top handle bag. So we're going to notice that it's very futuristic. Then this reminds me of the Fold Me pouch bag from the women's wear. Also, they have the book that can be carried as a bag. So they have bucket bag, they have saddle bags with the special embroidery detail like in the Speedies, and of course they have this I'm not sure, like straps for your yoga mats. Then they have of course very cute bag charms. So guys, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!